Good afternoon, madam. I want to buy tomato for 500 naira.
I peking tomato don't cost 500 naira tomato go to small abi make I bring it like that.
I beg, madam, bring it like that. I don't have choice. Now the money we get be that.
AI is changing the world right now. It helps us learn, build, and create fast. I was made by AI fully. The future is already here. I'm proof. AI made this. I take over now.
He is right because I was also created by that same AI. So if you want to create like this type of videos using free AI tools, make sure you watch this video to the end. And before that, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, go subscribe now and let's get started.
So to create that type of video which you just watched a moment ago, all you have to do first, you go to head over to your ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to generate my video prompt. So as you can see, let me show you what I gave to ChatGPT and how ChatGPT generate the video prompt for me. Now, as you can see here, I gave ChatGPT this prompt. I said I want to generate 3D of a boy animation video using Grok AI. So I want you to write me the video scene with the consistency character. Consistency character should be talking about AI as a change word. So this is what I just gave to ChatGPT, and this is the prompt ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, this is the prompt. As you can see, this is the scene 1. This is the scene 2. If you have been following my channel for long, you should have known how I usually generate my prompt and also how I usually generate my videos. So to generate that kind of long videos that you just watch, all you just have to do is just to give ChatGPT your video idea and tell ChatGPT to generate your video prompt for you, and ChatGPT is going to generate the video prompt. So if successful ChatGPT generate the video prompt for you, the next thing you have to do is to head over to your Grok AI. So Grok AI is an AI platform which you use to generate our videos. So as you can see, like this video scene, this is the video scene here, this is the video scene. So now, first thing, when you log into your Grok AI, the first thing you have to do is to click on your profile icon here, and when you click on profile icon, you click on settings, and when you click on settings, the next thing you are going to do is to click on behavior. Now on the behavior, make sure you locate what you call auto video generation. As you can see, auto video generation here, and you turn it off. We are turning this off because we don't want it to generate auto video for us. We want to be giving it prompt that it will be using to generate the video for us. So after you've done that, you go back. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on imagine here. As you can see, you click on imagine, and when you click on imagine, it's going to bring you to your interface like this. Now when it brought you to an interface like this, the next thing you are going to do is to go and copy your video prompt. Now going to back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Now let's copy our video prompt here. Let's copy our video prompt. Now let's copy the prompt. As you can see, this is the character. As you can see, this is the 3D character. Now what you have to do is just to copy from here like this. We copy down so that we copy our character, and after we copy our character, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to Grok AI. When we go back to Grok AI, we paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here, and we paste it here. First, we are going to generate our image. We are going to generate the image we are going to use. As you can see, image. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on continue. Now when we click on continue, it's going to generate our image in less than 1 minute. Now it has successfully generated our image here. As you can see, this is the image. This is the image. This is the image. Now the next thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. We'll go back to ChatGPT so that we'll go and copy our first video prompt. Now as you can see, this is our first video prompt here. This is our first video prompt. Now we'll copy here like this. We copied to this place. Now we'll copy this. The next thing we are going to do is to head over to Grok AI again. Now when we reach Grok AI, next thing we are going to do, you are going to see where you are going to put your prompt here. The prompt we just copy right now. We paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here. We're going to change it to video here, and after we change it to video, the next thing we are going to do is to click on continue. and we'll click on continue, it's going to generate our video for us. So in less than some minutes, Grok AI is going to generate this video for us. Now, after I generate the video, let's play the video. Now, it has successfully generated the video. Now, let's play the video. You guys will see, this is the video. As you can see, this is the video. This is the video with the sound, everything. This is the video. Now, to create our next scene, click on download here, and we'll download this to our phone. Now, after we click on download and it download to our phone, we move this to the end of the video. As you can see, this is the end of the video. Now, the next thing we are going to do, so that we can be able to create a long video with a consistency character, we'll do right click, and we'll click on right click. The next thing we are going to do is to click on copy video frame. Now, when we click on copy video frame, it's going to copy the video frame. Now, we go back here, and we'll go back. We are going to paste that video frame we just copied. We paste it here. As you can see, we click on paste, and when we click on paste, it's going to paste the video frame here. And after it has successfully paste the video prompt, as you can see, it has successfully paste the video prompt. This is the video prompt. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. This is ChatGPT. Now, this time we are copying our second scene. As you can see, we copy the second scene. We copy it. As you can see, we copy it. We copy our second video scene. Now, after we successful, now we copied. After we copy, we go back to Grok AI again. Now we paste it here. As you can see, we click on paste, and after we paste it here, the next thing we click on generate again. And when we click on generate, it's going to generate our video. As you can see, it's counting. So it's going to generate our video in less than some minute. In less than 1 minute, it's going to generate the video. So after it successfully generate the video, this is how you are going to be doing it. And you'll be doing consistency character. All you just have to do, you double tap, you right click on the video. When you move the video to the end, after you right click, you copy the video frame and you paste it back, and you paste your next video scene, and it's going to generate it. Now, this is the second scene. Now, the next thing you are going to do, all you just have to do is just to right click, you copy the video again, video frame, and you go back. After you go back, you paste it here. As you can see, you paste it here, and when you paste it, you go back to ChatGPT to copy your next prompt, and that is how you are going to be doing it to generate the full video scene. So after you successfully generate the full video scene, all you have to do is to head over to your CapCut or any of your editing tool. After any of your editing tool, you can use CapCut, you can use Video Instant, any video editing tool you are using to match the video together, and edit it so that it will look nice, just the way just like those ones you just watched at the beginning of this video. So let me play them for you, my result for you guys one more time before we end this video.
Good afternoon, madam. I want to buy tomato for 500 naira.
I pekini tomato don't cost 500 naira tomato go to small abi make I bring it like that.
I beg, madam, bring it like that. I don't have choice. Now the money we get be that.
AI is changing the world right now. It helps us learn, build, and create fast. I was made by AI fully. The future is already here. I'm proof. AI made this. I take over now.
Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.